Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to sign up to Bluehost and basically how it looks like inside. So first of all, you want to go ahead to the pricing and see which option of the hosting fits you the best. So as you can see, there are a lot of plans and you basically just choose which one fits you the best. As you can see, there is one free domain for the first year to every single plan, free SSL to all of them, but not for the basic one. And yeah, so as you can see, number of websites to 1, 2, 3, and 5. So if you want more than one website, then you will need these plus, choice plus, or pro plan. So basically just go ahead and search. Now after that, you're just basically gonna go and sign up. So you're just gonna click get started and you will select the plan. So let's just select it now here. Let's skip it. And now basically you're just gonna enter your information and create an account. This is how much it will cost you. 35, for example, for the basic plan. Enter your payment with a credit card or PayPal, and you're just gonna submit it. Now, as I already have an account, this is where it is. So I'm just gonna go to my dashboard. And once you are here on your dashboard, you're gonna go to websites and you're gonna click add site, and you're just gonna add a site with you can install WordPress or transfer an existing one, or just empty environment. So basically just choose the option which fits you the best. Then you're just gonna click continue, enter the site title, and so on and so forth. Enter the domain name where you bought it. Maybe you will use a Bluehost free domain. So you can also go ahead here on domains and you will find your domain there. This is basically just like an example. And after that, you can start building your website. So yeah, guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.